guys can see, my parts arrived late, and I have to go to work pretty soon, so I won't have time to install it today, and it's the weekend.
That's why I asked you what company it was.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are having a great day so far. As you can see from the title, we're going to be installing a Lethal Performance X-Pipe on my 2012 base model GT500. My car is looking pretty dirty right now. I'm going to go get it washed before we take it to the shop and get it installed. So right now we're on the way to the car wash. I'm going to give it some gas so you guys can hear the exhaust from the inside. We'll compare that after I get the exhaust done. But I'm going to probably pull for second gear around 3 or 4K. Okay, second gear. Here we go. Okay, so we're pulling up to the shop and let's see what they have to say. So right now it's getting worked on. So the GT500 is done. Haven't started it up yet. We're about to head home and we'll see how it sounds on the road. Okay, so we just got back home. Now it's time to hear the before and after for the exhaust. Hope you guys enjoy it. That is going to wrap up today's videos. Let me know what axle backs you think I should get next for the car. And tomorrow my end gauge arrives, so we'll be doing a video on that as well. Hope you guys have a great day. And please leave a like, subscribe, and drop a comment down below what you think I should do next.